heading back towards March. I've started out in Outwell this morning, and for the first time in a very long time I've been able to come right through Upwell without having to stop to clear out the weed hatch. It's looking okay at the moment, but I will stop before I get to March just to have a check. I'm going to be going through the lock shortly, and it's a much cooler day today than it was yesterday, so I've got several layers on. Just coming up to the pedestrian bridge by the pit chip shop. There's a willow tree and a boat called Nouveau Lady, which always amuses me. The old owner used to have a sort of burlesque theme going on the boat decoration, but the new owner didn't like that much and just kept the name, but has changed. Changed the outside decoration, sort of Art Nouveau, twisty stuff. Quiet at the moment. Normally the dogs along here are barking by the time I get here. Somebody fishing up ahead, trying to get in some angling before the season finishes in a few days' time. I think it finishes in a few days' time. It's normally where the dogs are, and they go mad in their cages there. It's just a fishing rod without a person. One of the many roads closed around here. At the moment, the only reliable way of getting around here is actually by water, as I know where the closures are. Kingfisher stick there on that mooring. I don't know if you can see that. The owner put it there for the kingfishers to sit on. Lovely to see these daffodils out. Sadly, all the snowdrops seem to have disappeared, and I suspect that many of them have, on the public side, on the roadside, they've actually been poached, if that's what you do to snowdrops and wildflowers. It's a great pity, because they were beginning to look like they were quite a display a month or so ago. New engine, looking and sounding good. Well, it's the old engine, but it's just been completely rebuilt, so I guess it's pretty much a new engine. Doesn't seem to be many ducks here today. I haven't passed any other traffic on the river at all, which is not really surprising. Oh, some ducks nesting there, or resting anyway. Can't see any eggs. Normally see ducklings before swans, before cygnets. My friend Road Dog has just bought the lock keeper's house with his partner, and I bought them a windlass for Christmas and housewarming present. So it's possible that well, he knows I'm on my way. Who knows? He may even have set the locked doors for me so I can just go straight in. Show you what the wash is doing at the back there. That looks fairly clean to me, so not too much of an obstruction. As my boaty friend Carl says.